What up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a customized exhaust system. I made a bootleg version of the Crossfire. That's how it is. I made it a couple months ago. Then I'm gonna see if I didn't make it too long. If I made it too long, it is what it is. I want to try to test out the cherry bombs glass pack and the cherry bomb straight through muffler. And then I bought this XForce high flow cats. So let's go underneath the truck. I'm going to disconnect the O2s. This is with the RFE 65. Disconnect the O2 sensor here. That's the downstream one. And then disconnect the other one up there. Same thing I'm gonna do on the other side. And these are 14s. I got JBA shorty headers. I'm gonna turbo the truck down the road. That's why I didn't got long tube headers. If I'm going to do long tube headers, I would have just gone supercharged, but I want to go turbocharger on this thing. So let's start taking these 14 millimeters off, disconnect everything, and then what I'm running is the MagnaFlow muffler just straight through in there. All right, there's new high flow cast versus stock one. The thing I don't like about the stock one is how flat this is right here, and this crappy white pipe right here. Looks like it rods water. So we're gonna put these on right now. I'm gonna start taking out the O2 sensor and put them on here. They do give you a, there they are. Here's the spacers. I might just put these on just in case. Like that. So I'm gonna take these old two sensors and transfer to the new ones. I had to go to the store to buy some new hardware. Kinda looks like it touches here a little bit. Let's see if it makes any noise. I got some clamps for that to see how this cherry bomb sounds like. Here's how that looks. I'll see what it runs without the spacers. I'm gonna start it up in a second. All right, got the glass packs on. I'm gonna start it. Yeah. All right, remove the glass packs. I want to see how my bootleg Crossfire is gonna sound like. Alright, my check engine light comes on and off. I'm gonna put these on. I'm using some what the hell's the things called again? The anti-seize, whatever, to spray on. I'm gonna put these on. I took apart. I'm sprayed it with anti-seize. Just gonna take out the O2s from the downstream right here and right here. I'm probably gonna put anti-seize on the upstreams too. So I'll take that apart. Ah, it's hot. All right, so I got this one like that. Have the O2 like this, because I can't put it like other ways. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right here. Right, got the anti-seize on the upper one. Now we're gonna grab this other one. Put anti-seize on that already. Put it in. Let's see if I can do it with having this. Oh, I need to put the nut back on. Got the nut back on. Spin it. Spin it to bends out. Grab that. Grab your 24 and your 22. Let's see. Yeah, grab your 20. All right. Then you grab your 24. Tighten up the nut right here, the jam nut. And then you grab your O2. All right, there. I put that on. Here it is. Let's see if the check engine light goes away for good. A little update on the high flow cats. I do like them. It's great. I had that check engine light. Even though I put those spacers on, I still get the code. Let me see if I can bring it up in the video. What the two codes I got for bank 1, bank 2. I reached out to them. They said I needed a tune. I got myself an HP tuner, play with it, and I got the light turned off. I can start the truck. It's nice and cold. And I got no more check engine light. My economy mode works great. I still get better gas mileage versus without it. Any questions, concerns, you can get the HB tuners for the 2009 through 2013. You don't need to have a unlocked PCM. Unlike you need to get a unlocked PCM for your 2014 and newer RAM. You could probably get a unlocked PCM anywhere on the internet with the ASP trans. Luckily I have the RFE. I don't need that unlocked PCM. No more check engine light. So guys, I do recommend the high flow cats if you can stay NA, or if someone stole your cats. There you go. Have a nice day, night, weekend. Drive safe and stay dirty.